All right, let's see what we got here, baby. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, a classic that I like very much, but I don't know about this one, guys. Roll my intro, and let's get to it because we ain't got time to waste. What's going on, my YouTube fam? Hopefully you find yourself in health, wealth, prosperity, all good things, man. And guys, yes, I'm bringing another classic over here that is a lost gem. To me, it's personally a lost gem because it's just something that, I don't know, man. People just don't care about exploring different things nowadays. So you know what? We're going to get straight into it. And of course, guys, it is the black on black Air Max Sunders. Yes, very gorgeous. Let's get into the details. Let me show you the presentation and you guys decide for yourself. The box, guys, is the classic Nike Air box. Very nice, of course. Still pretty good quality, even though this one's torn in the corner. But it is what it is, guys. Nothing special, nothing out of this world. So, you know, if you're into the presentation thing, these didn't come in any type of special presentation. It's not a collab. You guys know that already. But we are going to get straight into these bad boys right here. And of course, you already know how I start this. The materials and the toe box. Well, guys, like I mentioned, very nice. The whole toe box is very nice. You see the three little dots right there in the front. Very nice. It's glossy, you know, a nice little gloss it has to it. And the whole upper, because I'm not just going to mention the actual toe box, the whole upper is mesh. Once you get to almost the ankle collar, you see in a nice thick silicone the Nike check right there. As you guys can see it, you know, nice and glossy, very nice. Of course, you see the logo right at top of the toe box, Air, and a nice silicone, glossy silicone as well. And the classic zipper, guys. Yes. Going into the tongue is in mesh, guys. And it's very elasticy. As you guys can see right there, it's actually almost see-through. And very sturdy also, because I'm actually kind of tearing it up there, and it's pretty nice. Right in the middle of the tongue, you see that suede material. It's more like a nubuck, guys, just to be more specific. You see the 6453 and the swoosh in like a nice light gray color. And it has the pull tab all the way in the top. And by the way, guys, the tongue is actually a liner. It fits like a glove, guys. It's more like a glove lining inside of the shoe. The insole, you see the Nike swoosh, Air. No Nike on this one, just the swoosh and the Air in that light gray color. Now going to the side of the shoe, that is my favorite part of the whole sneaker. You see in 3M, all those blocks, guys, actually reflect. Not gonna lie to you, it is gorgeous when the light hits it. I'm gonna try to get you an image, guys. I'm gonna try to, at least a picture, something. And it's all surrounded with nubuck all the way to the back of the shoe. In the back of the shoe, you see like a silhouette, a nice embossment. Then it gives it a nice design, at least in my case. And it has 4 little circles in the bottom. And it has the back tab with the swoosh in silicone, and it says Air in silicone as well in light gray. Going into the midsole very nice, very futuristic looking. Once again, guys, this is what I love the most about this shoe. Very cyber look. I love technological shoes. Guys, we have to start jumping a little bit into the technology. Even though this is still retro OG, is still old school, but people weren't ready for this back then, man. This is where it's at now, bro. I'm into technology. I like technology. That's why I was thinking about getting one of those AI chicks. You know what I'm saying? You know, they never have headaches. That's just a personal thing. Don't worry about it. Oh, man. And you see right in the front, 2 air bubbles, 2 small little air bubbles, and a big one in the back. And the inside of the bubble is actually in that same light gray color. Going into the sole of the sneaker, you see the light gray pattern all the way through the whole sole. And you see in a light blue MX Air with a little swoosh surrounded with red. Very gorgeous sneaker. I adore it. I think it's great. Quality, great. Everything about it, great. Pricing, great. Bro, what more are you going to ask for? OG, great, great. If that even, in the text even makes sense. Yes, it's great. It's just great all the way around. And it has a zipper, guys. It has a zipper. Listen, look at this. I think it's wonderful, guys. Now, you guys are asking yourself, of course, the comfortability of this. And I do have the Kids of Immigrants collaboration of this. And if there's any type of difference, just to get to the point, if there's any type of difference, the difference is none whatsoever, guys. The comfortability is still the same. I gave this shoe a 9.25. Well, I'm going to have to change that up. This shoe is a 9.5 all day. This shoe, I actually walked with it. I did a lot of things with it. Well, at least the Kids of Immigrants that I did the undestocking and all that. And I personally think they're amazing, guys. Amazing all the way through. It's great, guys. And when it comes to the fitment, I went through the size on these shoes and they fit like a glove, just like what it has in the inside. A glove. Beautiful. Beautiful, man. Stylish. The whole shebang. So people have asked me how to lace these shoes. I'm going to bring you a video of how to lace the Sunders, guys, and how to swag them out. You can actually loose lace them, but I got a little style that's a lot better. I'll bring it to you guys to the short, and hopefully you guys probably like it. I don't know. Once again, that's your opinion. Let me know if you guys got the Sunders. Tell me your opinion about it. If you dig, if you don't dig. Anyways, guys, like I said, 100% Primo approved. I love them all the way through, and I am planning on getting more pairs of these. Till next time, everybody, I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Be careful with the AI females out there. Leave them for me. Just leave them for me, guys. Peace! Echo Eddie!